Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're just going to be looking around my front yard. Just looking at what we can find. So yeah, let's start. We'll want to start in the backyard or front yard. Let's start in the backyard because I've seen a lot of really cool things back there. And explore the backyard. I'm going into the little creek where I found that frog in a different video. It was called Trying to Catch This Frog. And yeah, let's see if anything's down here. I used to have a hamster and he died, right? And then I actually took the hamster here. It was like a year ago. I actually buried him. So if I dug up this little spot right here, I would probably find a little box with a hamster. I did bury another animal that I found dead on the in my front yard, and this is where I buried it. And the two animals I buried in the past year. Oh look, there are a bunch of little fish. I don't know if you can see them, but in this little creek there are fish. Yeah, look. Here. I don't know if you can see them or not. There are a few that just swam by. Oh yeah, you might have just saw those. So I think those were the animals we found in my backyard. There were a couple of fish. Let's go see what we can find in our front yard. So I'll see you in the front yard. I made it to the front yard. Let's see if there's anything over here. I'm just scouting in these trees. Can't find anything in the trees. But, whoa! There's a bird's nest. It must have fell from this tree. That's so cool. Little bird's nest. Now, right now, I'm not disrupting it at all because the mother bird, if the nest falls, they never come back. So from this tree, it was probably right there, and then it fell, and then the mother bird will never come back, which is sad. But this is really cool. You can keep it in your house for decoration. It's really cool. And I found some really cool things in this video. And yeah, and that's going to wrap it up for this video. I will see you in the next. My name is Unbearable_13. And bye.